File on the push stroke. Get this sharp right here. That's what it is. Next one is right here.
So you're taking it out on me, giving me nothing but hurt and misery. I'll never be the same. Pain's the name of your game. Pain's the name of your game. I want you, but these changes you put me through, I can't stand. No, it's just like you got it planned. You're driving me insane. Pain's the name of your game. Pain's the name of your game. Ow! Baby! It's not the way I wanna feel. I want love from you, baby. Not filled with neglect. All I gotta respect. Oh, I'm leaving you. 'Cause can't stand it any longer.
Alright, so now it's on around. And this is the other part of sharpening that's really important. If the chain wears down, you gotta file these depth gauges. These have to be filed down, or this thing will only shave a tiny little bit. So we're gonna take this down a little bit. Put your file above it, and you can kind of see. And so it's this that we have to take down. Very quick, just a little pass every time sharpening, and it'll just come down the same.
Yeah. It's nice. We had no idea that it was so nice like this. Yeah, that's a nice crowd, and everybody's so intimate. And it makes it really nice and cozy. Yeah, I like it.
Ladies and gentlemen, live from the banana stand, you're